Today we'll be looking at how to shape our waistband. Uh, shape our waistband. Today we'll be needing our tracing wheel. We need our tracing wheel more and we will need extra paper. So what do? I'm going to insert this paper under my drafts, so I'll be able to trace on it. Stay with me. So today, like I said, we'll be using tracing wheel, but I have different types of tracing wheel here. I have this, and I have this. You can get all those tools at Waju Couture on Instagram or at Fashion Tools 44. They are very affordable. So I'm going to take them out now so we can start. But I love this. So so what we are going to do is to measure what we want to use as facing for our band. What do? You can use 2.5 inches or 3 inches, but how do you measure? You measure in this direction. Yeah, I have to change my pen. So you measure in this direction, 3 inches. You mark according to the curve, 3 inches and 3 inches. Then you connect with your curve in this direction. You do same on the center back. So like I said, you do same on the center back, and remember to extend it to the zipper allowance here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to trace. How do I trace? Remember, I have another paper underneath my draft, so I'm going to trace using my lovely tracing wheel. So I'll follow the lines. I trace on the lines in this direction. I'm going to also trace the dots. Yes, I'm going to trace the dots in this direction. Not all the dots, the level at which the line was on it. So I trace like this. Of course, it will reflect on the other side. So let me quickly trace the back. So I'm done tracing out. You can see I've traced both center back and center front, including the dots. So I'm going to bring out my paper that I slotted at the back so you can see. So I'm going to use my pencil to trace out the lines. Hello. So I've already traced out you can see I've already traced it out. So for you to use this method, you're going to close all the dots. You're closing all the dots. When you close the dots, it will give you another form, another shape. So I'll close the dots, then I'll show you what it looks like. So I have my dots closed. You can see it's been closed. You can use your nylon tape to hold it down. I have my dots closed, and if I place it, of course, because I still have dots here, it will not be accurate. So this will serve as the facing. Let me place it on another paper so you see what I'm saying. This will serve as facing for your skirts, as in for the waistline, and of course you will add your seam allowance to it, just the same way you're going to add your seam allowance to your skirt. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Share our page. We love you. Like it, subscribe. We love you. Thank you.